what hierarchy is and what the purpose of hierarchy in Tableau. Like, hierarchy is type of thing or type of a filter function, what it does, what it do. Like, we have filters, we have parameters, we have bins, and we have group by other things, and hierarchy is one of them. So we will look at how hierarchy works. While most of the time people confuse with group and hierarchy, are they the same? They are not the same. I will explain group in the end, but first we have to look how hierarchy works. So there is the same sample superstore data set available here in the sample superstore. So let's say we want to create hierarchy. Hierarchy is type of thing in which we take different things related to a specific thing, representing a specific thing. Let's say we want to create an age and the place of birth of a specific person. So that's how it's we can create hierarchy of this. So let's consider, let's look at the data. If you want to create a hierarchy of the tables of geographical locations only, so what we'll do, we'll look at the geographical location tables. What we have city, and after that we have country, and in the third we have postal code, in second last we have region, and last we have state province. So these all are the geographic locations, and they represent the geographic data. So how we're going to create hierarchy? We will select command, we will select this second one, and then after the third one, then second last, and then last. These are all geographic data. So we can create a hierarchy of this. How are we going to create a hierarchy? We'll select hierarchy here, and we're going to create location hierarchy. When we select location, so now how hierarchy works. So here we have hierarchy. If I select location, so here we have all the things related to locations only. So it combines, it put the data into a single place where you can access all the data related to that specific thing. So that's how its purpose is. So that's how the location, or we can say the hierarchy, works. If you want to create another hierarchy related to the category, so let's say we have category, then we have subcategory, and then we have, after that we have the manufacturer, and after manufacturer we can also put the product name, and after that this will create a second hierarchy. So let's say if you're going to create category, manufacturer, subcategory, and after that we can say the customer name, or we don't want to include it, we will say product name. So that's how we're going to create the second hierarchy related to the category. We'll name it as category. Now the second hierarchy is also created, so that's how it is, and that's how it works. If we want to create a specific hierarchy for date only, so what we'll do, we'll select date, we'll select both the date same as is, we have select the date here, order date and ship date. So that's how we'll create hierarchy. It's already here, so we'll select OK, order and ship date. Now it's created. And what I want to show you is that what is group by, how group works. So group works like, let's say we have category, and we want to create a group. So how group works, let's say we have furniture. So if we want to group furniture into something like, we can say other, let's say we want to group the furniture only, other. Furniture, we are grouping, the grouping works in different ways. Not, we cannot consider, like we cannot combine it with hierarchy is something else. So if we select other, so this means that we can put a specific name to a thing. Like if we have furniture, we can select, we can group it to by other name. So that's how it will represent in that specific column. So that's how group works. So that's how the hierarchy works, and that's how it works in Tableau.